If you suffer a maritime injury at work, it's very important that the attorney you hire understands ERISA laws as well as Social Security laws. I'm maritime attorney Tim Young. Our office has represented injured oil field workers, oil rig workers, and vessel workers for almost 20 years. I want to discuss with you very briefly why a maritime attorney has to understand ERISA law as well as Social Security law. ERISA, and it stands for ERISA, the letters ERISA. ERISA is a federal law that applies to short-term and long-term disability policies. When your employer alone provides you with a short-term or long-term disability policy, that policy falls under the laws of ERISA. Now, the reason it's important for your maritime lawyer to understand ERISA laws is because very often after a serious maritime accident, you may be collecting short-term or long-term disability. About half of our clients eventually collect some sort of disability from a short-term or long-term disability policy. Your attorney has to understand ERISA law because the short-term and long-term disability policy is going to come into play with your maritime case. The same thing applies for Social Security laws. A lot of our seriously injured clients will apply for, qualify for, and collect Social Security disability while their maritime case moves forward. It's very important that your maritime injury lawyer understands Social Security laws because they're going to become a part of and they're going to interact with your maritime claim. If you have any questions at all about how ERISA might apply to your short-term or long-term disability, about how Social Security laws interact with your maritime claim, call us. We can discuss your rights, choices, and options and how the laws of ERISA as well as Social Security interact with the Maritime Jones Act case.